guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. So for today, I'm going to cash stuff our long-term saving challenges. It's supposed to be alternately saving it with my minis and with my monthlies, but last week I haven't filmed any for the mini saving challenges and monthly saving challenges and long term. So for today, we're going to do it. So we're going to save here $70 and additional of 110. This is what's left on my wallet. If you don't see it yet, you can go to my monthly cash tapping video of our paychecks, which is I think I just click on my videos and you will see that I unstop it, and this is what I save on my wallet. And this one I will save it for later. Let me do this one first. Okay, so let's start. So for this one, I will complete this challenge and let's see how much the total amount I will save today. So for this one, roll 600 dice. If I roll even, I save 2. If you are a spicy saver, you can save 20, or if I roll odd, you can save 6. This is on my coffee shop if you're interested. Okay, let's roll. So even number 2, even number 2, even number 2. Wow, always 2. Even number 2. So we save here $8. And let's see if we have a change. No, so let's get here 20 and change $12. Hold on, hold on. I'm confused now. So $8. So I need a $12 change. Okay, that's correct. So total amount I saved in here is 115. Yay! So let me just hold it and write down how much. 125. 125. Sorry, I think I made it wrong. And let me just spit it out and put it at the back. And next week I will do another page for from July to December. I will continue saving with this challenge. Okay. Next one is from Miss Judy of Save with Judy. It's a $5 each week and a total of $25 per month in 2026. So this is our third week, I think, right? But I will save here. Let's save here for now $10. 5, 10. I will color it later. So $10. And for this one, this from Amy by Nature, save 800 in 2026. There's a three kind of this one. This is save 800 in 2026. There's a save 1,200 in 2026, and there's some more which is save 200 using the 50 cents, but I'm using this one. So let me save here how much. So each line is $10. So 10, 20, 20, 28. Let's save here $28 first. And let mark it down. 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, and then 4, 5, 10, 6. Okay, so far what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it means 200. Let's see if I'm correct. So let's 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. Okay, correct. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 170, 80, 90, 200. Okay. Okay, for save 2026 savings from no release budget. So what I have for July, let me save here 10. And let's cross out 2 here. And total amount here so far are, hold on. It's, if you saw my money, like there's a folded in the middle, it means it's 100 or 1,000 or 10,000, something like that. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 100, 20, 30, 40, 140 so far. Yay! Oh, not there, here. So this one is from Kimmy's Corner. It's a freebie on her coffee shop. So let's say, let's complete this circle. One boxes space is $5. So 5, 10, 15. Let me just color 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. So let me save here $15. So I don't have, okay, let's use $20 here. Use $20. No, not green. Let me change color. Let me change color. Okay, let's do pink. So I get 20. So I will use now the leftover, all from my wallet. So the total amount here now is 140. So we're still halfway there. And for this one, for today, I will finish this. And let's see how much is going, how much money I need to save to finish this challenge. Hold on. So I still have here 104. So today we save here, let me count, 16 plus 10, 12 plus 10 plus 8 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, so 66. So let's get 70 here. So we don't have $6. So let's just put 70 here to complete this. And now let's see how much the total amount. It should be more than 270. It's more than 226. It's 20, 40, 50, 60, 100, 150, 70, 90, 200. So 230. Okay. 230. Thank you so much for giving me to. Is it 230? Yay. So what's next? I finished it already. So what I'm going to do, let me just, so we completed 2 challenge today. Oh, forgot to ring the bell. Ring the bell twice. One, two. Yay! So as you can see, there's a spicy one for, by the way, the challenge is from Nita of Almost Organized Owl. I started saving using her challenge, yearly challenge, since 2024, I think, yeah. Sometimes I completed it, sometimes I don't. So for this time, this is a spicy one. Save 2026 or save 2026 and 2026. This is spicy. So what I'm going to do, I will not save the whole amount. So there's a two-digit number, I'll just add up the number and I'll save that amount. So it's not going to be 2026 save. So let's see how much I will save. It's a mystery how much I'm going to save here. So let me just, how much in here? So 30. Where's my calculator? Okay, so 30. Let's see. So 30 minus, we start in here, 20. Oh no, let's start in here first. 3 plus 7, so 20. Hold on. Where do I? Okay, let's start here. 6 and 5. 6 plus 5, 11. Plus 2 plus 6, so 19. So let me just color this. Let me get color blue. So we start with this one. This, this, and this. So for this 4 icons, I saved $19. So I still have $19. And let me go to the second zero here. So plus 9 plus, okay, let me get this $9 here. And I still have $2 left. And then save this umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, eh. All right, so that's it for today. That's the saving. So total of, oh, we still have 4. Hold on. Okay, that's enough for this challenge. Okay, so we still have $4. No IOU. So what I'm going to do, I will put it on Kimmy's blessing here. So for this one, the total now is $11. Let me color $1 each icon here. Let me color 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my catch all money. Alright, so let's change this into real money. Let's get it from here. Alright, so for the blessing, we have now $11. Alright, so we finished 2 challenge for our long term. I will reallocate it. I will think about where to put this challenge because this long term, so I'll put it on my sinking funds. So that's it for now, lovelies. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. See ya. Bye.